ticket for the long way round. 2 bottle whiskey for the way.
Hey guys, sorry it's been ages since our last episode, and today is a very different episode because I'm going to be making a meal by HelloFresh. And HelloFresh is where they send you the ingredient cards and what you're going to make through the posts, and you get it in a box with all the ingredients so you don't have to go shopping. And today I'm going to be making goat's cheese chicken. This meal will take 40 minutes and it's 2 of your 5 a day. And what you'll need is a higher welfare chicken breast, goat's cheese, red cabbage, apple, original onion marmalade, hazelnuts and a flat leaf parsley. Those are the ingredients that came in the box. The only ingredients that I'm adding to it that we already have is the olive oil and the salt. This recipe is originally for 2 people, but I'm serving 4, so I've doubled it up. The instruction sheet's really easy to follow, and it has, before you start, you need to wash your fruit and veg and preheat your oven to 200 degrees. And also make sure you've got a frying pan and a baking tray. Now let's start cooking. Okay, now what we need to do is prep the chicken. You need to take the chicken breast and gently loosen the skin from the flesh by running your fingers along the two. Don't remove the skin completely. Then slide the ghost cheese into 1 centimetre rounds and place 2 pieces under the skin of each chicken breast. Now we need to cook the chicken. Place the chicken on a lined baking tray and drizzle with a little olive oil. Season with a good pinch of salt and black pepper. Roast on the top shelf of your oven for 25 to 30 minutes until cooked through. Now we're going to need to prep the veggies. We need to cut the red cabbage in half through the root and place the flat side down on the board and slice as thinly as you can from the top to the root. Next, cut the apple in half and through the core, then again to make 4 wedges. Remove the core and chop the apple into roughly 1 centimetre pieces. Now we're going to put a glug of olive oil in the pan. And then we're going to add the cabbage, the apple and the onion marmalade. Now that we've mixed it all up, I'm going to put the lid on and cook until the cabbage and apple have softened. This should take about 10 to 15 minutes. The cabbage and apple have now softened, so I'm going to add half of the parsley and half of the hazelnuts to the mixture. Now it's ready to serve. I'm going to put the cabbage onto the plate and then put the chicken on the bed of cabbage. Now it's on the plate, I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of the leftover parsley onto the chicken and a little bit of the leftover hazelnut onto the chicken as well. Now it's ready to eat and serve to whoever you're eating with. Enjoy.